What's going on, guys? Happy 4th of July. Today I got something cool to show you that I could also use some opinions on. But before I show you that, I want to show you the new upgrade that we just did to the Mustang. Nothing too crazy, but I keep seeing these in the store and it says Zombie Outbreak Response Team and it has the little hazard logo. So I put this underneath the 3.7 on both sides. Just kind of trying it out. You know, I'm not too much of a Walmart or AutoZone type of buyer when it comes to stuff for the car. However, you know, for $5 I was like, well, it fits the theme for the apocalypse, so let's just throw it on. And worst case scenario, if I end up not liking it and other people don't like it, then I'll just take it off. So down in the comments, let me know what you think of the zombie response team.
Only a few will survive.
Okay, anyway, so now to today's main event. We're actually going to be talking about the GoPro Fusion. Now, if you remember previously, I had it mounted where it was right on the rear windshield.
The apocalypse.
And basically the only thing you could see was just like this. And then when you turn this way, it was just like the roof. There wasn't exactly any room to see anything forward. So if you did a 360, nothing ahead was seen and it was kind of crappy essentially. Well, what we have done is we've added some extensions. Now we actually took them from the front cameras. I took them off and they had the little arms. I threw it on here before I bought them because it'd be $40 to get two of them. So I took them off of there for right now. So we've got 4 pieces in here to raise it up. So the eye level now went from being here to up here. So it raised it up, about 4 inches, which isn't bad. So now when you view it, the angle is going to be like this. It's a lot more up in the air. I've already tested it out and everything, and it does work. The only flaw I'm having, which I'm fixing for the sessions, there's these little foam pieces that you can buy, and they just right over top of it, so it muffles out all the wind noise. They don't make anything to wind cancel the Fusions, which is a problem because the wind noise on that is obnoxious. Now, if you don't know much about the Fusions, the wind is actually picked up from right here. That's the hole for the audio, and I need to somehow cover that and muffle that a little bit. And like I said, they don't actually make anything that does it, so I have to try to find a way. And I tried putting some tape over it. I just put a piece of tape over it. I talked, I replayed it. You could still hear the audio, everything was fine. But then I decided to blow on it, and you could still hear the power of my breath on it. So for driving, it's still going to be a problem. So I need to really figure out a way that I can muffle that, so that way there's some type of, windbreaker on it, so that way you don't hear that. Because anybody that watches the Fusion videos knows I don't actually edit them. There's not a whole lot I can edit with them anyway. So I need to try to cancel out some of that wind noise. And like I said, right now they don't sell anything. If somebody does find something that's for sale for it, that's like third party or something, please in the comments leave me a link to it. And when I purchase it, I'll give you full credit for sharing the idea. But I really need something to cover that. So that's about all I got for now, guys. I've noticed the subscriber count's been going up greatly the past few days, so I want to thank everybody for that. Especially if you're new to the channel and you're just now finally watching. This is the Mustang, and there's plenty more videos to come. So have a happy, safe 4th of July. Now let's enjoy the day and get out of this heat.